A lot of you guys are watching India Glitz without subscribing it, so please subscribe and continue to like and share. Thank you.
And கண்டிப்பா வந்து அவருடைய ஸ்ட்ரகிள் அப்படினு வந்து சொல்லணும். ஏனா ஏகப்பட்ட ஹார்ட்ஷிப்ஸ் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணி இப்போ he is anchored as a hero அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். In fact towards a point வந்து சினிமா விடலாமா அப்படிங்கற ஒரு மைண்ட் செட்ல இருக்க டைம்ல தான் வந்து சேது was a hit. அவர் வந்து அந்த ஒரு ஃபேஸ்ல இருந்தா he became a different perspective அவருக்கு வந்தது அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி கேள்விப்பட்டிருந்தோம்.
You're partially right. நீங்க விடலாமான்னு சொன்னீங்க இல்லீங்களா? I don't think that's true.
Okay.
He's never given up. ஏன்னா என்கிட்ட அவர் பேசினது அதுதான்.
Okay.
The last time when I spoke to him, as you asked, when I entered cinema seriously, அவர் என்கிட்ட சொன்னது என்னன்னா, அரவிந்த் நான் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு வந்திருக்கேன். எவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டேன்னு எனக்கு மாத்திரம் தான் தெரியும். உனக்கு தெரிஞ்சதோ ஃபேமிலிக்கு தெரிஞ்சதோ பப்ளிக்கு தெரிஞ்சதோ இஸ் ஒன் பார்ட். பட் ஒன்லி ஐ நோ த ட்ரூத். ஸோ ஃபார் ஹிம் ஈவன் ஃபார் Dhruv, he never wanted or he will never allow Dhruv to go through that kind of a trauma. So he will choose his roles, his film or his team. Why? Because he wants him to again explore his best without going through the trauma that he went through. So why is it traumas? Because as you rightly said, there were times where anybody else would have given up. But he never gave up. That is something which deserves respect.
Recently kuda I think the Aditya Varma movie la he did a prank with the whole set.
Absolutely. And he does it very impromptu. My dad was like that.
Okay.
Enga appa vandu instant witna, he was king. He'll make us roll and laugh. He's got the same trait.
Summa edavadhu
I'm a little bit more serious. Of course I have my lighter moments. And Anna vandu he takes out my dad.
Okay.
He goes full on when he gets into that mood and he'll have everybody in splits. So it's nice to be around him.
சின்ன வயசுல உங்களுக்கு அவருக்கு சண்டைகள் அந்த மாதிரி
சண்டைலாம் கிடையாது because he's always been the big brother. I call him Big B even today. And I've looked up to him as an elder brother. I expected a lot perhaps. Okay, but thanks to his domain and our domain today, I think the demands on him were more. So அவர் வந்துட்டு he's a guy who's super focused at work. அவருக்கு வந்துட்டு ஒரு படம்னு இறங்கிட்டாருன்னா everything and everybody else becomes secondary.
And about the weight loss எல்லாம் கூட சங்கர் அவர்கள் ஏற்கனவே அந்த ஒரு படத்துல சொல்லியிருந்தார். இந்த மாதிரி அவ்வளோ டிமாண்டிங்கா கூட நான் சொல்லல, பட் அவரா தான் வந்து பண்ணலாம் இப்படி பண்ணலாம் அப்படி பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு இன்னும் கொஞ்சம்
the thing with him is it's a lot of people have this conception that he gets into putting on weight and losing weight, muscle and you know the opposites or whatever. அவர் வந்துட்டு என்னன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, he drives himself to an extreme where he's a perfectionist. So for him, whether it is weight loss or looking different or giving a different impact, he goes the entire hog. So what happens is, avare vandute he comes back and probably he looks at the work done for that particular shot and sees if he's done his best. If not, he'll go back and suggest something else and he'll do even better. And he's always pushing his limits. As a person, he had an accident when he initially started. That I'm sure taught him a lot of lessons about pain. So there's this famous maxim, no pain, no gain. I think he's gone through that metamorphosis. So for him,
I think adu vandu and Dhool movie la konjam
absolutely. But at that period, he was in a lot of pain. But he still achieved what he set out to do, and that film was a huge commercial success as well. It was a very nice movie, and I enjoyed it. In fact, even recently I watched a rerun. So avarku vandittu, he's, as I said, a perfectionist, and he's always testing his limits. And for him, putting on weight or losing weight or getting into character is no skin off his back.
In fact, அவங்க சன்னே வந்து சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, என்னால கூட முடியுமான்னு தெரியல, if அப்பா tries he'll even look younger than me.
In fact, I saw some photos ரெண்டு பேரும் பார்த்தேன். They look like brothers. That's the paradox. I mean, you can't say they're father and son.